Today I'm in Panjim city and just behind me is Mahalakshmi temple. The reason I'm doing this video because can you look on top? It says bike parking. And can you see what's parked behind me? This is all cars. Now can we see this is the marking, road marking till where the bikes are supposed to go. And if you clearly see the tempo is coming right out. Now this is a two-way traffic. People are going and coming in. When you're turning for Mahalakshmi temple, it gets very difficult. People have to wait, accidents can happen, and this is something that the Panjim city has to look into it and make sure that traffic doesn't get disrupted like this. People have to be corrected. If they have not been told that this is bike parking, then clamps have to be used so that people realize this and use this as a bike parking. Today, if you see, all the bikes are being parked on the footpath over here. All the bikes are being parked on the footpath. When you're not going to give them space, this will happen. So kindly requesting the officials is to pay attention. You are taking pay parking charges, but you're allowing cars to park anywhere else, creating inconvenience for ongoing traffic, also for the bike people who park the bike. So please look into this and make life a little bit easier and safer for the people moving on the road. Thank you.